This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Jim Harbor. Very well maintained, move-in ready home. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Updated primary bath has walk-in shower and guest bath has a tub/shower combo. Kitchen/dining/living semi-open floor plan with breakfast bar. No popcorn ceilings, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, wood-burning fireplace, 15x15 heated and cooled sunroom with vaulted ceiling. Nice deck off the sunroom. Single car garage with extra parking space to the side. Roof replaced in 2018. The internet provider is Hyperfiber. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac with common property to the rear and a vacant lot on one side. For more information, review the details below.